founded Solid Dynamics LLC in 2014 to create an easy-to-use, very personal, rapid prototyping firm that used 3D printers to print people's parts. Scaling that, I started with one 3D printer in my dorm room, I moved to two 3D printers, and I continued to purchase 3D printers to the point where I had about 30. At this point, I couldn't find operators fast enough to run the equipment. And also, the printers were too stupid to print things correctly, and what would happen is if somebody wasn't babysitting that printer, it would actually screw up and then those parts would be scrapped. So what I figured out and what we created was Smart 3D printer technology, and we now have a patent on this, and what it is it effectively allows us to have the 3D printers monitor the quality of the fabrication process while also enabling scalability. In that, I can take an operator now that I've trained in a week and put them in front of 30 3D printers and they can run them simultaneously. My intention with this is to scale it to something the size of Amazon, where everyone in the world will get their 3D printed part from us. After I founded my company, one of the first customers I ever had was actually that very first month that I founded my company. It was a company called Vortic Watches. What they do is they create very unique, what I would say are timepieces rather than watches. What they do is they take an old pocket watch movement that's about 100 years old, they'll clean it up, they'll make it work again, and then once they've made it work, they'll toss the actual pocket watch case and they'll have me fabricate titanium 3D printed watch case. And then they'll take that case, they'll machine it, clean it up, they'll put Gorilla Glass in it, and they'll actually place those time movements from that 100-year-old watch into that case, whereby you get a true piece of American manufacturing in that every single part of the watch was manufactured in the United States, whether it was 100 years ago or recently by a metal 3D printer.